Unraveling the Mystery, Reverse the Jinx, in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase in the English language, reverse the jinx. This phrase often pops up in casual conversations, sports commentary, and even in movies. So, if you've been puzzled by what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this together. The term jinx in English refers to a superstition that bad luck or misfortune will happen. So, when someone says they want to reverse the jinx, they're talking about trying to undo or counteract that bad luck. It's like saying they want to turn a potentially negative situation into a positive one. This phrase is commonly used in situations where there is a belief that talking about something good can actually cause the opposite to happen. Interestingly, the concept of a jinx has been around for centuries, but the idea of reversing it is relatively modern. It's often heard in sports contexts where fans or players believe that acknowledging good performance might bring bad luck. For example, if a basketball player is on a winning streak, a fan might say, "I hope I don't jinx it by saying this, but let's reverse the jinx and hope the streak continues." 1. Sports commentary. The team hasn't won a championship in years, but by acknowledging this streak, maybe we can reverse the jinx. 2. Everyday conversation. Every time I say traffic is light, I hit a jam. Let's reverse the jinx and say I'll be late today. 3. Variation. Sometimes, people just say, jinx, in a playful manner when two people coincidentally say the same thing at the same time. So, that's the scoop on reverse the jinx. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion and adds a fun, colloquial expression to your English vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Remember, there's no jinx in learning. Every step forward is a victory in language mastery. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.